you're doing, Ralfy? Ralfy Customs. Well, it is. Lost my drink. It's New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year, everyone. This video is very lastminute.com. You can see I'm at home. I'm not in the office or the usual workshop. I'm still off on my Christmas break, so I've just popped upstairs to my watchmaking bench, which is my latest and greatest new interest like. And I thought I'd wish everyone a happy 2023. And more than that, I want to thank everyone for all the support that I've had over the last 12 months. I kind of want to talk about the channel and the future of the channel just a little bit. Originally, it was set up to promote our vape business many moons ago. That's long since gone by the by. And then I kind of pivoted, left the channel dead as a dodo for quite a little while, and then revived it when I started back building the custom bikes that I've been building for all of my adult life, really. And the response has been very good. I almost started a fresh new channel. My missus, Liz, she says, fuck the old one off, pardon me, start up a new channel, have a fresh start, go from there. But I didn't want to lose all the 10,000 followers or whatever I had, 9,000 followers at the time. So I kept going with it. And the truth is that most of those followers seem to be quite residual based on the performance I'm getting now. That kind of correlates with the growth that I've had over the last couple of years since I've been back doing this. Like, so over the next 12 months, I will do my very best to put a lot of fresh content and keep doing what I'm doing. And I thank you all, like I said, for your support. And here's to a wonderful 2023, everyone. So cheers. And I'll see you on the other side.